Think your cousin who fixed up your kitchen can handle your rental property too? Think again. A lot of investors hand over their biggest assets to the wrong people. And when that happens, bad tenants, lost rent, property damage, and a ton of regret. If you own rental property in Kansas City, choosing the right property management company isn't optional. It's the difference between growing your portfolio and watching it fall apart. So how do you know who to trust? Here's the ultimate guide. Start with transparency. If a company can't clearly explain how they make money, walk away. You want to know exactly what they charge, when they charge it, and what you're getting in return. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we keep it simple. Flat fees. No surprise charges. You know what you're paying for before you pay for it. Second, look at their communication. If a tenant calls with a maintenance issue and the manager takes 3 days to respond, guess what? That tenant's already looking for a new place. Same thing goes for owners. You shouldn't have to chase someone down to get a status update on your property. You want fast responses, straight answers, and real-time updates. We've had clients tell us their old managers wouldn't return calls for a week. That's insane. At Alpine, you get a team that actually answers the phone. Third, experience. This isn't just about how long they've been around. It's about what kind of properties they manage and whether they know the Kansas City market. Managing a high-end downtown condo is not the same as managing a duplex in Independence. You need someone who understands your neighborhood, your tenant pool, and your investment goals. Someone who's done this before, successfully. Fourth, marketing matters. This is where most property managers drop the ball. They post your unit on 1 or 2 websites, use some blurry cell phone pics, and wait. We don't wait. We launch every listing across multiple high-traffic sites with sharp photos, optimized descriptions, and fast follow-up. That's how we fill units in days, not weeks. Fifth, screening. If they don't have a rock-solid screening process, run. A bad tenant will destroy your property, cost you thousands, and make your life miserable. You want a company that checks credit, income, criminal history, rental history, the whole thing. We've had owners come to us after dealing with nightmare tenants, all because the last manager didn't screen properly. At Alpine, we take screening seriously, because it's not just about finding a tenant, it's about finding the right tenant. Sixth, maintenance. Ask who handles repairs. Ask how fast they respond. Ask how much it costs. You don't want a company that disappears when a pipe bursts or one that sends out overpriced contractors every time a doorknob is loose. We've built a trusted network of local vendors. We don't mark up repairs, we get things done fast, at fair prices, and we keep tenants happy while we're at it. Seventh, owner portal. If you can't log in and see your property performance anytime, you're in the dark. You want a dashboard where you can track rent payments, maintenance requests, financials, lease dates, all of it. Alpine gives you full access. It's your property. You should know what's happening with it. Eighth, rent collection. You'd be surprised how many companies still let tenants drop off checks or pay cash. That's outdated and risky. You want automated systems. Tenants pay online. You get direct deposits, no excuses, no late-night drop-offs, no bounced checks. We make it easy. And we follow up when someone's late. You shouldn't have to chase rent. We handle that for you. Ninth, evictions. Hopefully, you'll never need one. But if you do, your property manager better know how to handle it. Evictions are legal processes. You don't want delays, missed filings, or mistakes. You want someone who's done it before and can do it fast. 10th, reviews. Not just Google stars. Real feedback from real landlords. If a company has a long history of complaints, poor communication, or shady fees, it'll show up. Do your homework. Ask for references. Ask what kind of properties they manage. Then talk to owners who use them. At Alpine, our best advertising is our current clients. They're the ones who've been through the headaches, switched to us, and never looked back. Now, what if you're watching this and thinking, this all sounds great, but my rental's a mess, it's vacant, it needs work, I just want out. Here's your solution. We buy houses. Doesn't matter what condition it's in. Doesn't matter if there's a tenant problem, back taxes, or major repairs. We'll make you a cash offer and close fast. No commissions, no inspections, no drama. If you're done with that property, let it go. Get paid. Walk away. Start fresh. So, whether you're looking for better property management or a way out of a tough situation, Alpine Property Management Kansas City has your back. Want to avoid the biggest mistakes landlords make? Subscribe now and check out our other videos. And if you've ever hired the wrong property manager, drop a comment. We'd love to hear your story.